This is Grave Strikers, the very first game I ever published. And guess what? It's entirely made with Godot, a free game engine anyone can pick up and learn. Let me show you why it's awesome and why beginners should definitely give it a try. Godot is super beginner friendly. To tell the game what to do, you just write simple instructions in its scripting language called GDScript. If you've coded before, it feels a lot like Python. Clean, simple, and easy to read. Perfect for beginners and a real breath of fresh air for experienced developers. For example, moving a character takes just a few lines. No complex setup, no boilerplate. You can actually focus on making the game fun. If you want to make 2D games, Godot is a dream. It has everything ready to go. Tile maps, collisions, particles, lights, all built right in. That means you spend more time creating and less time fighting with tools. For someone starting out, it's a huge confidence boost. You can export your games to almost any platform. Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, Android, even consoles, but with a bit of extra work. In my case, I built Grave Strikers once and exported it both iOS and Android without rewriting everything. That's huge if you want your game in people's hands quickly. And the best part, Godot is 100% free and open source. No licenses, no royalties. You keep full control of your game. You can even dig into Godot's own code and extend it if you really need to. But honestly, most of the time, everything you need is already there. So that's why I chose Godot for my first official game. If you've been dreaming of making your own game, trust me, you can. I did. And if you want to get started, I've created a free beginner series called Godot Essential, where I guide you step by step through the basics. Links in the description. Come join in.